Hi guys, welcome to AK Sisters. Today we're gonna be doing slime with. Okay, that doesn't. Last time we did clear slime, and now we're gonna do. Wait, so. Okay, so if you don't know me, I'm Angelina. She is Tia, and we're home alone. So let's get started. So the first thing that you will need is a bowl and a spoon. We're gonna be using a baby spoon because we love to use little tiny things. And then we're gonna be using the blue slime, blue ties, and then white glue as you guys know. Okay. Comment down below how many times I said let's get started. Just saying, it was raining so hard. You guys heard that? Oh, and sorry for the bad lighting. It's because we're in our kitchen and we don't have the light things like other people do, but we're gonna get it. And I don't know why the light is bad. So
I'm not done.
I'm just gonna mix my glue because I like to do that. It's so satisfying. Look.
And get it down. I still have more and it's dripping.
Let me help you.
Nothing. I want to get the glove. The glove jar.
Wait, it doesn't matter because we don't have to use the one. Now,
I have much.
we were actually going to do jiggly slime, but I was too lazy to.
Come on. I don't want to make another slime and we woke up. You woke me up so early.
Yeah.
That was bad. That was her fault. All her fault.
I stayed awake like the whole entire night. Because it's a lot of glue, Nina.
Loca.
Oh, if you don't know what we're saying, we said, hey, girl. And then she said, crazy. Like, I'm crazy. Look, it's already forming.
I'm making mine like
I like to do my slime with Tide sometimes. Because it makes it very quick and it makes it
I am doing art.
Gucci in my mind.
What is that supposed to be, like music?
Yeah.
But I hate that music. Mine looks so good.
It looks blue. Jenna, tell me when you need Oh my gosh! Wait,
mine is kind of clear.
Wait. Oh, sorry.
Oh, we didn't say.
Mine is so good.
We didn't tell you guys, but we're home alone.
Yes, we told them.
I'm crazy. I didn't even recognize it. Oh my god. Boom, 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 boom. Ay, niña, es un loca.
She said, "Girl,
Tonta.
girl, you're crazy, stupid."
No, dumb.
That's how, okay, whatever. That's how she says it technically.
Hey, don't judge me saying Spanish words.
Sticky. Okay. So our dog is with us, so
to keep us safe.
Even though no one's gonna come in. I don't know why I took out my tongue and had something in my mouth and I went like sorry. Okay, so mine is starting to form. Look at mine.
Yeah, I'm mixing mine.
Sticky.
Oh my gosh. Mine was going down and like that. Mine is not even stretched.
And my mom might come And she might be talking because she just came. No,
She did not.
She didn't come, but when she comes, she's like, "Hello, we're in the house." Something she would advise us when we are in the house. When she is in the house. So.
And she might talk Spanish. But in the house, we have to talk Spanish. At school, we have to talk English. It's so hard.
I might get more tired.
I might get more tired too, but no.
No, but like go to the garage and get slime.
Mine is so
tired.
sticky.
I'm gonna get more tired. Because when you're doing slime with Tide, it kind of takes like a long time. Sorry if I'm hitting you in your face.
You did that a million times. Not two. Two.
Oh, mine is tiny in the form.
And if you see in our other video of making slime, we did it different.
Oh, that was actually our first video.
And as you see, we did it different. But today we're doing it. In the other one we did it different. We did it
Guys,
different. Mine is not coming forward.
Okay, let me go grab some more Tide, and then we will be finished. So yeah. Okay, I'm back. We're back, and I got
We're
more
back. I was staying here.
more Tide shoes. It was very fast. Like,
Oh my gosh!
get it. Don't touch yours, cause like yours is very sticky.
I already touched it. Can you take this off?
That's how much I had to put for mine.
And mine, I can't play with sticky slime.
Because her hand, some people have like, what is it called?
I'm gonna make some
Like wet hands. Like it's like hot, or when you get nervous, your hands get wet. And when you have wet hands and it's like hot, your hands are hot when you have wet hands. And then, like, she has wet hands
all the time.
and like,
But I don't know now.
and so if she touches like a slime that's sticky, then it will like melt on her hand. Mine, for me, it doesn't matter because I can actually take it off and I don't have wet hands.
She never has that.
Gucci in my mind. I don't know
Stop
why I keep
saying
using.
that.
It's a music by, what's her name?
I don't know.
About, her name is
I'm mixing my slime by
Ariel. What's her name again? Ariel?
Ariel something.
I think it's Ariel.
But let's just call her Ariel. But she has another Ariel something. It's over.
What?
This
And get it, you gotta keep on mixing. Let me help you. You can mix my slime. Look, hers is all blue. She wasn't even mixing.
But I want mine clear.
You know, how is it supposed to be clear if it's like not even, it's white?
We should get clear slime.
You mean clear glue? What's happening with her language right now?
I have no idea.
I think hers is actually ready. But you just gotta mix it. Getty, you can't touch mine yet because it's sticky in your hands.
I went like this. Oh, I got nothing. Only little tiny bit and this one right here. And I'm making it right here. Don't judge us, but
So let's get started with something.
I don't know what you're talking about. The first time. I licked it.
Hers is so good. Okay, wait. This is her slime.
I always make good slime. said I made my slime last time when you woke me up so early that I was so mad. Yeah, we did a challenge, and I had to lose because I was tired.
Come and get it.
And I was like, when I was sleeping and I was downstairs, I was like, what am I doing here?
No, she's like, why am I here?
No.
How did I get here?
Yeah.
How did I fall asleep here? She asked so many questions. So we woke up. I didn't woke up. I stayed awake the whole entire night to the morning. I haven't fell asleep.
Because you did a challenge.
And I won because I stayed up mostly the whole entire time.
Yeah,
I couldn't even fall asleep. Like, I was watching YouTube and I got like, my tablet was about to die and I was like, oh, let's grab my brother's, our family tablet. And my brother had it because he always uses it. And so,
in the night.
And so I was like, I got it and I woke up my sister because she was like, I was kind of bored and I went to play with someone. And so it was like 3, I woke her up at 3 o'clock in the morning. And our house, in our house, it's not scary. We don't have nothing. I always stay awake in like 3 o'clock.
Me too.
And we just
Sometimes
watch
we
YouTube and all of that downstairs because our TV has Netflix and all that. So, anyways, we're gonna be doing this slime. I don't know why it's like, guys, comment down below if you want us to have a story time. And some of it, I'm telling you, it's gonna be funny. I'm telling you. I'm not gonna be doing nothing. Like, I don't want a story that's gonna be boring and all that.
Yeah, we want a funny one. We want to make you guys laugh.
So comment down below if you guys want one of those. And yeah. Comment down below if you guys, oh my gosh, I keep on saying comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below too how many times I said comment down below. I repeat a lot of words a lot of times. I love my sister's slime. Yeah. Oh, sorry. And that's your slime.
Hey.
Finally, you talk. Okay, I'm gonna take out mine now.
Mine is so sticky.
Oh, and guys, we ran out of food.
Angelina.
Oh my gosh! You
Mine
see,
is
her hands are
sticky.
heated. Don't. Yeah, just. Oh my gosh!
I'm getting it off me like this.
No,
Ah!
because you're gonna keep on getting it on you.
It was bad.
Don't touch
idea.
it! Don't touch it!
It was all her fault. I wanted talking. She said, "Oh, no," and I said yes for no, because I wanted to make her so happy. I want to mix it
Yeah.
with my hands, please.
No.
Please. Oh, why did I? Oh.
Okay, just give me this one.
I'm gonna take the slime off me.
You're gonna be touching your slime anyways. Okay, touch it now. Oh.
Come on!
I have to. Her slime has to be like putty.
Uh-huh. It was, no, niñas,
I
loca.
scared her. I pranked her. Finally, I was grabbing her hair and I was like also touching the slime, and her hair is right here, but the slime wasn't even touching her hair. And then I grabbed the hair, and then she thought the hair got in her slime. Is it good now? But you have to take this old slime off because then it's gonna be still sticky.
Oh, I couldn't die.
Go.
Oh my god.
My slime is so good.
Mine is good. Kind of sticky. I don't like my slime. Maybe because the light.
Get it. Your slime is so good if you didn't have like white hands. You guys saw that?
It's the light that makes it hot. Because I'm hot. You get it? You get it hot? It's hot.
Oh
'cause
yeah.
I'm hot.
Guys, I also did another YouTube channel. What to do for your hair. I did 4. I was actually supposed to do 3, and then I did 4 because I wanted to show you guys one more.
You never did that.
Yes, I did.
Girlfriend.
I did it by myself.
Girlfriend, you didn't.
You were watching TV.
Girlfriend, you were lying.
She talks like that. I don't like what she does. Touch your slime.
Let me see.
Oh, and so I was gonna say the other time, but then
It feels good, but it's sticky. Look, if I
Girl,
grab
I
it.
added.
If I grab
Comment
it.
down below how many times I put Tide on her
I
slime.
have no idea. That happened to me.
I even have to still do my slime because my slime is still sticky because I didn't put that much activator because I didn't have time because I always had to put activator.
Huh? Did you guys hear her? Oh, I didn't.
Guys, this is satisfying. ASMR. It has to be quiet. Wait. Okay, let me do it with my slime.
I don't know why I grabbed it.
Grab yours. Hurry up. Hurry up. Grab yours. Grab. Oh my gosh.
I can't.
Grab it.
I just-
It's not sticky. Look. Okay. ASMR. Be quiet.
I can finally poke it.
Hers is really hard. I feel sad for her. If I had 2 hands, I would feel sad for myself. Not really, because I won't really recognize that I do. But I told her, so.
I'm so sad that she doesn't have she could touch the slime and I can't. Oh, I was crying for no reason
Because you wanted
talkie.
talkie. And I was like laughing.
And I wanted to make a YouTube of no eating, no drinking water. Plus, I wanted hot Cheetos.
You know those like challenge that you can't drink water
Water.
while you're like eating
And
Takis?
never drink milk when you're eating something. Eating
No,
chips.
you
spicy.
have to drink milk because
Oh no,
that
that
helps you.
burns. That burns. It tastes bad.
that's because that's you. But people, you have to drink milk. Water makes it worser. Soda makes it worser. Milk helps it because milk is like something that doesn't have like, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but like milk helps you go away because when you're drinking milk, it's like, I don't know. I know how it is, but like my science teacher told me, but I don't know how to explain it. It's like so hard for some reason.
Comment down below if when you eat Takis or like hot Cheetos or like anything.
Takis, anything, dynamites, whatever.
Comment down below if you drink milk, soda, or water. By the way, she drinks milk,
Mhm.
and I drink water.
Water makes it worse. So.
No, it does for me.
Okay, time for the end. And so this is our slime.
Or I put ice in my mouth.
Oh!
I gotta make that bigger.
Ready? You guys saw that. That was so cool.
Oh
Right?
my gosh, mine is so
Wait,
little.
ASMR. ASMR. I like doing ASMR. Somebody said, comment down below if I should do an ASMR channel.
Look. It sounded like it farted. How dare you fart?
Okay, mine actually fun. Okay, now for the end. This is our slime. Mine is very good.
This is the end, and this one's mine. Mine is so bigger than hers. Wait.
Okay, so
And look at this.
don't forget to
Mine is
subscribe.
I already said that.
No, that was in the other. So
Angelina, you're so crazy.
okay, don't
Comment
forget
down
to
below if I said. Don't
to
forget
subscribe, comment down below, hit the bell button, and hit the notification. Oh.
And here's the poop.
Okay, so
Here's the
guys, don't forget to subscribe.
poop. Oh look, I made nothing.
Get on, come on.
What?
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell button. Hit the notification button. And give it a huge thumbs up. Bye! What did you want to say?
If you like our videos, tell us down. I don't know what it's down below. And I will
Give you a huge prize.
And it is Talkies for me. Because I am going to do that.
No. No.
It's Talkies and I'm going to eat them.
It's secret. And if you watch the next video, we'll show you what it is. And it's like super cool. Like, I love to play. Oh,
Look, my picture frame.
okay. Bye.
My picture frame.
Bye.